Hello guys, welcome once again to my tutorial. My name is Daniel Libet. Welcome once again to BH Online Math Tutorial. Please, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I want to really encourage you, please go and subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook. And another thing I want to also encourage you is kindly share this video wherever you are watching it. I know this video has gotten to different parts of the world, but please, if it happens that you come across this video and after watching the video you find it so helpful, why not share to 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 group and let this video go viral? Because in this video I want to show you some multiplication tricks which is going to help you a lot. In fact, you'll be faster than anybody who is having calculator with him, and you'll be so amazed knowing this. So don't let this video rest with you. Don't learn alone. Try to share. There is love in sharing. Note it that this multiplication trick only works for number between 11 and 19. Let's pick the first one. Say 13 times 12. What do you do here? 13 times 12. The first thing you do is that 13 plus this 2 here plus is what? 15. 13 plus 2 is 15. So the next thing you do is 3 times 2. Note it. 13 plus 2 is 15. 3 times what? 3 times 2 is 6. You can check your calculator. This is how to multiply number between 11 and 19. Very simple. Within a second you've gotten your answer. Let's try other ones and see. The next one here, number 2, we have 14 times, let me use another number, 14 times 13 equal to, what do you do here? You're going to say 14 plus 3, that is what? 17. 14 plus 3 is 17, and the next thing you do is say 4 times what? Times 3, that's what? 4 times 3 will give you 12. Now at this point you are not going to write everything, because if you put everything is going to a C, you'll get the wrong answer. So what do? You add this 1. Say 1 times this 7 here will give you what? 8, and this 2 comes here. So that's our answer. Very simple. I take it again. 14 times 14 plus 3 giving you what? Giving you 17. 4 times 3 is giving you 12. Add this one. You say, oh, this 1 plus this 7 is what? Is 8. Then your 2 ends 8. So that's how to solve for this. So let's try another one. The last one now. You say 15 times 15. We all know that 15 times 15 is 225. Yes. But let's assume it's a number. 15 times 15 is a number you don't really know. How do you get that using this method? You're going to say this way. 15 plus 5 is what? 20. Then 5 times 5. 5 times 5. That is 25. So you say 2 plus 0 is what? 2, and put your 5 behind. Alright, so this is how to do this trick. Very simple. I believe after you watch the video, please kindly comment, as in comment more of this kind of tricks, and how to do tricks like this in mathematics are coming. Thank you very much for watching. I love you guys. All my fans.